This gelatin trick is being quietly shared for a reason, and once you understand how it works, you'll see why so many people are seeing results fast. Instead of forcing your body with workouts or extreme diets, this simple ritual works with your metabolism, 1 spoon a day. That's it. When I tried it, the biggest surprise wasn't even the weight, it was how my hunger completely disappeared. No more constant snacking, no sugar crashes. My stomach felt lighter, digestion smoother, and my clothes started fitting better in less than a week. That's when I realized this isn't just about weight, it's about fixing the gut, which controls fat storage, cravings, and inflammation. And yes, the entire trick is based on one ingredient sitting in most kitchens right now. Nothing synthetic, no expensive products. If you want to learn the exact recipe and timing people are using, click the pinned comment now. Videos like this don't stay up long once they start spreading.